Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Story with Technology. I am Atish. Today we see how to configure Azure Resource Log to secure your configured VM or any Azure resource which you are configured. So to secure your configuration, like some another engineer or technician or some other person not able to do the changes in that configuration. So let's begin with the video. First, we need to log into the Azure tenant. So portal.azure.com. You just need to enter in your browser, then enter your ID and password and authenticated via MFA. I already entered my ID and password and MFA, so it's directly redirect to this page. So now I wish to lock my virtual machine configuration, so no one can change that configurations. Virtual machines, you just need to click to virtual machine or any resource where you want to implement the logs. Then inside the setting you can see the logs option, then add log name, log type. Here is a two log type, like if you use only read only and delete, like some another person open this VM settings and he can only read, not able to change anything in that. And other thing is he can read only and not able to delete anything from that configuration. So here's a two type of log type. So we configure the delete. So if someone log into this VM and going to the settings and configurations, is not able to delete. Click OK. You can see that we successfully created this log. And one important thing is, while creating the log, I said like here is a two log type. If you go to the logs, you can again log type read only and delete. So read only logs. If we configure read only log, you can only view the settings of your VM, not able to edit. And if you implement the delete log, then you can edit the settings, but not to delete any setting, not to delete any existing setting of your VM. So these are the two types of log present. So if you have any question, you can put below the video section in comment box. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment on the video. Thanks for watching video.